Hello programmer, welcome back to our SQL tutorial series. So today we're going to explore the insert into statement in SQL and which is used to add a new record to a table. So first of all, the simple definition for the SQL insert into statement. So the insert into statement in SQL allows us to add new record to a table and it's a fundamental operation when working with the database. And so let's explore for how it's work with some example. So first of all, we are inserting the single record. So in this example, just I'm adding a new employee table, new employees in the employees table. Okay. So previously I created employees and now I'm insert the new table is the employee. So now just going in here and here I'm just create for is the employee table column information. So first name, create employee, ID is integer, primary key, first name, last name, age, department, and here is the hire date. Okay. And now just I'm inserting a single record. So just going here. And first of all, here I'm just type is a insert into and insert for the table name. Suppose like is a employee. And here I create the parenthesis. Okay. And simply here I'm defined for this is it. So already here I'm defined this is it. Must we use the employee ID. So now just check. So again here this is the employee ID. So first of all here this is the employee ID. Then here I'm just type is the first name, then last. Okay, so here I'm just type is the last name. And also here I'm create for the age column and next here I'm type is a department and also here I'm create this is a hire date. Okay, so now here is a completely inserted for the column and next step here I insert for the sample values. So first of all define for is a employee ID, suppose is 1 and next step here I'm create for the employee name is Zohan and next step here I'm create for the employee last name for Smith and then here I'm define for the age is 31 and also for here I'm define for the department of IT. Okay, so now here it's called the single inserting here is a new record with employee table with the values of first name, last name, is department and the hire date is specified and this query will add a new employee's name, the Zohan, and then just select, okay, and then execute now. So you can see here is inserted for this column. So now I'm just check again for. So here I'm create for the employee ID, last name, department, and also here I'm add for the hire date. So now just here I'm remove all this the hierarchy again here and simply create this. So now just I am select and execute and you can see here this the on row is perfectly affected. Okay, so here is a completely created for the single inserting row. So now just check and first of all here I create the select star from retrieving for the employee table of information. So this is the employee. Okay, so we define perfect is the employee and now just I am select and execute and you can see here with a completely create for the employee ID, first and last name. And the department here you can see here hire date is null because here I am not inserted for the sample data query. Okay. So next step here I'm inserting for the multiple records. Okay. So now just going again here and first of all I am copying for this data query and then going for the next step. So first of all here and use the 3 columns. So next step here I create best and remove for this. Okay. So in this column I'm just remove and here I'm create for stay is a comma and then again and then next. And here just change for this name. So first of all here I am create for the employee IDs to 3 and 4 and change for the name, and here inside for the name is a Jenny for Smith and the age is 25. So define for the age 25, and also here I insert for the department of HR. And next step here I create the Mikhail and change for here inside for the name the Mikhail, and also here change for the last name for is a Johansson. Okay, and now I'm also insert for the age is the 35 and department of the finance. And lastly here I'm add for the another table or row. So here I'm insert the name is Emily. So Emily, and then last name is Brown. This type is a perfectly here with Brown, and the age is insert for 28. And also here I'm defined for the department of marketing. So now this one will perfectly create with the marketing department. So the stack is the marketing, this one is the perfect, and here I'm create the semicolon. Okay, so here I'm inserting for new 3 record into the employee table with the specified values for each employee. Okay, and now in this query, so just check. So first of all here I'm select and execute now, and you can see here is a completely 3 row, it's perfectly affected. Okay, and this query will add the Janice Smith to the HR department, Mikhail Johansson to the finance department. So now just I'm going again here and just select and again just execute, and you can see here perfectly Jenny here HR department, Mikhail Johansson the finance department, and Emily Brown is in marketing department. Okay, so here I'm completing multiple columns inserted. So next is the current create for suppose like use another example. So here I'm create inserting because with the default values. Okay, so first of all here just going again, and then here I'm create specify the default value for the columns when inserting records. And now just let's see how it's works. So first of all here I am create for the employee ID first name last name, and also then I'm define for this is a hire date. Okay, so just I'm type is a hire underscore. So just check again. So this is a hire date, this one is a perfect, and then here, and now I'm just remove in this 2 line, and then turn to the semicolon, and now just insert for the IDs of 5, and insert for is Sarah, name for the employee first name. It's called the Sarah, and the last name for Wilson. So Wilson and is insert for 32. And here is the department for also the department inserting here economics. Okay, economic, and then here I'm insert for the hire date is a default. Okay, so now here this one the perfectly create is a default hire date. So this the example inserting a new record into the employees table with the default value for all columns except for is a hire date. And now just check this hire date. So first of all here I am select and then execute now, and you can see here perfectly on is completely affected. And now just again for verify in this employee table. So first of all select and execute, and you can see here is a the default keyword is used to indicate that the default value for the column should be used. Okay, so you can see understanding. So here is a completely show for the employee table all information. Okay, so and there you have it. And overview of insert in the statement is complete in SQL. We here and provide for the some practical example. So I hope you find this tutorial helpful. So stay tuned for more SQL tips and tricks. So thank you for watching and happy coding.